Sabi yung getting help from others. Big part of our career ay yung 18, of course. From the beginning up until now, they're very supportive on social media, online and offline. Um, Paano na-touch ng 18 ang buhay nyo as a group and of course as individuals?
I changed my life eh. Parang sa akin.
Parang feel ko, lahat mo.
Yeah. Ang siguro, very, ako personally, medyo full of hate ako na tao before eh. Pero after hearing their stories, their supports, parang nagbago yung dalawa. And, diba, when they told us how they love the group and they resonate with our experiences, sobrang malaking bagay siya. Kung sila yung nahihil namin for us, then nahihil din nila.
Siguro yung question na lang ng, pag tinanong ka, anong pangarap mo? What's your dream? Siguro, dun sa question na yun, kasi kaya rin tayo namumuhay kasi may purpose tayo and to fulfill this dream. Masabi ko na sila yung dahilan kung bakit ko na-fulfill yung dream na to. So, sobrang laking bagay po na malaking importansya yung naging nila para makamit ko yung pangarap ko. And my life is full right now because of them.
Okay.
Sige.
It's something that forever be. I mean, like all of us would forever be thankful and grateful for dance album. Kasi, yun ang tunay sa bago talaga sa dyan yung buhay namin na sa online. And sobrang lang moments nila sa until now. We've been through tough times before and still nandyan lang sila. So, ayun po, sobrang thankful sa
Feeling ko din naman ko, yung alien, isa sila sa mga naging malaking part yan ng success ni Lieutenant. Kasi unang-una naman ko sa lahat dyan, hindi kami magpapagawa kung walang naniniwala sa amin. And sila yung isa rin talaga sa matindi at matibay na naniniwala sa amin. Parang pag tinignan nyo nga ngayon ko, sino ba kami para nagkaroon ng gano'ng kalakas and ka-dedicated na fandom. And nakakatuwa lang na hindi siya simpleng fandom lang, parang family rin talaga. Kasi pwede kang mag-share ng picture, pwede kang maging vulnerable sa kanila. So parang hindi kami napipilitan na mag-share talaga. Like, we do it casually kung ano yung napipil namin na gawin. Pwede namin i-share kasi open sila and family yung nararamdaman. Like, hindi talaga like fan-idol relationship lang. Talagang parang family ka.
Justin, finally.
Ano po, with the 18 na nakasama namin, parang yung change is not just the usual na parang kumbaga hindi lang nagbago status in life, but yung personality siguro din namin it changes kasi we have so many learnings from them. Parang ang dami rin nilang kwento na naririnig namin, paano sila na-inspire, kung gaano sila ka-motivated to support us. Parang naging way of living namin, how we communicate to people, how we understand things, nabago din siya because we were able to meet and makilala namin yung 18 na full of different personalities din, full of different type of people, of stories. So, yun, nagbago talaga yung pakikitungo namin, yung samahan namin as a group, for us working with our employees, with the people na nakakatrabaho namin, talagang nag-iba siya.
Alright. Thank you very much for your time and for your generous answer. Good luck sa inyong EP. Okay lang magpa-picture sa inyo.